Hey, how y'all doing? I'm Levi Rutherford. I build stuff, cut down trees, mill up logs, and build it into furniture and sculpture. Proud to say I'm part of one of the founding members of the Great Awakening.
Right on.
This is the mill. That's a log. I'm just going to show how it works real quick.
It's a Wood-Mizer LT40.
Yep. Super hydraulic.
He works it hard too.
I use it about every couple of weeks.
That makes me jealous as quick as that is on his mill. Oh yeah.
So
That's it.
second stage. Then you stack it and let it dry.
As you can see over here.
Gotta dry it out before you start working with it. For all you tree hugging assholes, most of these logs are salvaged or either yard trees, having to be taken down too close to structures or disregarded by the mills.
No waste around here.
So if you want to bitch about something, figure out something good to bitch about.
Yeah, he's definitely got more wood stacked up than anybody I know. Now let's see what he does with some of it.
Black walnut coffee table.
It probably only took you about, what, 30 minutes to go from a regular tree to this? That's what people think, ain't it?
Yeah. About 80 hours on that table. Come closer right here.
This video is not going to give as much detail as needed.
I'm gonna put a quick coat of oil on there to bring out the finish.
Did you say you was going to put resin in the center of it, fill it up? Like you do some of them?
No, I'm gonna leave that one natural.
All natural. Come around this side, baby. What type of oil is that you use?
It's tung oil.
Man.
This is the fun part. Sanding, planing, drying, milling. That's the hard part.
Yeah, Levi's one of them that his whole life people told him he wouldn't be able to make a living making furniture. And he's made a liar out of him. He's like me, he likes to make liars out of people.
Yeah.
Tell you can't do something, well watch me.
That's my best motivation. My wife says I'm weird because I'm motivated by that. She said, why are you always trying to discourage me? I said, I ain't. I'm trying to motivate you. I ain't gonna be able to do that. She said, if that gives you motivation, you're weird.
Hey, however you get it, as long as you got it.
Yeah.
That's night and day difference when you throw that on there.
Yeah. Will work good.
Don't wore it out. You can see that for reference.
Turn them legs on the lathe.
Yeah, all this is handmade. No computerized, CNC. We'll show you the lathe and all his equipment here in a minute.
Those.
Yeah, how you like that?
Comes through. Oh, I rounded all this edge by hand. It might be an expensive table, but it'll probably be around in 300 or 400 years.
Yeah. And what's 80 hours of your life worth?
Well, I get. That's what I make. I enjoy this.
Yeah. You ain't gonna get one of these at IKEA.
One of a kind, solid black walnut table. Cut down that tree, stacked it and dried it, milled it and built it all myself. I get fulfillment out of that, gratification. It's what I was made for. And I'm able to make a living at it.
And wait till his boy gets as big as him, then they'll be doing it twice as fast.
Yeah. I cut this tree down about 2 years ago. Once I get the kiln built and some extra help around here, I can speed up the process, hopefully.
That's one thing everybody's short on around here is help.
Yeah. Let's show the lathe.
Alright.
So this is a lathe. It's how it works. This releases the tailstock. So then you just put your blank of wood, whatever you might want to turn. Cut it round on a bandsaw.
I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say that's probably gonna be a ball.
Ball, yeah. Get it good and tight. This is a bowl gouge. Sharpen it with these diamond.
He's got all the fancy tools around here. No Harbor Freight.
Nah, I don't last for long.
How many hours a week you think just roughly you spend on the lathe?
As much as I can.
Whatever time allows with two kids.
So it's got the speed adjustment. So it'll be lopsided when you start off, so you gotta get it kind of rounded out in the beginning. Then you speed it up to prevent all tear out and stuff. Make sure you're good and tight. This thing can fly off and just kill people.
Don't want to take a finger off.
Just come in.
How often do you have to resharpen the tools according to what type of lumber you're using? What kind of wood stock?
It's better to keep them sharp. It only takes a second to sharpen them too. You just jig. You just pull the chisel out, it sets down in that little groove, and then all it takes is about 5 seconds. sharpens.
Diamond's got to it.
Yep. So then, once you get the outside turned, you come on the inside. Take a parting tool. That's what I use. You come in here and cut this out.
Get in, see if you can see the divot in there.
You got to cut that out and then pull this thing off. This is the chuck. So what it does.
Oh yeah, opens up on
You
it.
can close in on the bowl, or if you want to recess it like that, you can open up on it.
So just put that in the center of the divot and open it up.
Yep, push it all the way down flat. Open it up. Good and tight. And then you're ready to bring this over here and start hollowing out. And you sand it, put a finish on it, all on the lathe. And that's the process of that. Now we can look at some finished stuff. Start from one.
Yeah, let's go check out some of the finished stuff.
I'm working on another set of live edge barn doors.
So there's one of the breadboard style that he donated for the giveaway.
White walnut, natural finish on it. That's waterproof and food safe. These will be big book match live edge barn doors. I cut with this, build them with this
Yeah,
chainsaw.
I couldn't even pick that thing up.
Once you put this one on there for a while,
Good Lord.
that one seems light.
What, this one's 6 foot? That one on the ground?
Yeah.
And that one's 8 foot?
Mm-hmm. That was 59 inch.
59 inch.
And this is 8 foot. And I thought that one was hard to work with. And I put this one on there and carried this around by myself for a few weeks. Put that back on there. Yeah, it's easy.
Just throw it.
Yep. We'll go down to the...
Alright, see he's got... Everywhere there's a area, he's got wood stacked drying to build some furniture or tabletops or something with. You cut that yesterday?
Yeah. These are odd. Somebody wanted it. I'm a wood hoarder. These are dried live edge slabs that, without all this junk in the way, people can come in here and pick out what slab they want, pick out what kind of legs they want, and kind of design their own tables.
Customizable.
Yep. I've got some sculptures.
Let me check these out. All this is handmade. I couldn't even begin to fathom where an idea like some of this stuff comes from. My creativity is definitely on a low compared to him.
Wood speaks to you.
It must.
It tells you what it wants you to be.
It must have some good conversations. I mean, look at this. I mean, every one of these rings are movable. And
They're all cut from a solid slab of ambrosia sycamore. I cut that tree down. The lightning struck the top of that tree. It broke it off about 20 foot high, but the bottom part was still good. This is one of the slabs from it. And these are round pieces. They have some rock in the center, but I think that'll make some real good tabletops.
and some huge slabs right there.
Instead of an infinity backdrop for photos. And another piece of sculpture.
Oh man,
Turn this on the lathe.
I want to see that process one day to make what appears to be a perfectly round ball on a lathe.
It's cool. It's kind of scary because it's them clamps with a tailstock.
Yeah.
You just come over, kind of have to make a little cup indentation like this, and then just clamp the ball in there, turn it, and then rotate it and round it out as you go. So the ball's only held in there by pressure in 2 cups.
Man.
So it could possibly fly off and kill you, but it's awesome.
Give you some adrenaline rush anyway.
Yeah.
And this is where he takes photos. He has a website, JonathanLeviRutherford.com, where he sells all of his, or I guess the majority of your sculptures that you build. All of them are for sale on there, so go check that out.
Bowls, furniture, and sculpture.
Pins,
anything you need.
anything custom that you want, let him know. He can. I'm sure you can tell by now that he could do it for you if it's made out of wood.
Let's check out the future kiln.
Yeah, let's go check that out.
Insulated foam freezer panels, and built this retaining wall to level this out. So I want to run pipes back and forth and pour a slab over top of the pipes and pump the water up onto the roof, heat the water and bring it back below the slab, and put solar fans in there to do a solar kiln. Do a radiant heated floor. That's a project in process. Next time I come, I might have it ready.
Yeah. According to how much furniture y'all buy from him.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a really good idea. Now, you haven't seen a kiln done exactly like that, have you?
See ideas from different ones.
To harness the energy of the sun to heat the water and keep it at more of a constant temperature throughout the night without using a lot of gas.
Geothermal, yeah. I've seen them with the solar fans and stuff. Hopefully this will constantly bring the heat up, pulling it up from the top.
Yeah. You get a lot of wood in there too.
Yeah. And I had to hook up with propane, and it wasn't working real good, and it was expensive to run. So I'm going to retire this hand trailer from the kiln once I get my new one built and convert this into a tiny house. That was the original idea for it. Just postpone it, use it as a kiln for a little bit.
Yeah, him and his brother's been working on a tiny house for a while, and maybe we can get some updates to that before long. It's nice. Nothing like repurposing something that's pretty much just discarded and using it for something else.
The studio. Got the wood stacked up everywhere, drying.
That's better than money in the bank, ain't it?
Yeah.
At least it's real.
Yeah.
Drummer too. My little boy likes to bang on them when he comes down here. We'll take a lot of pictures of these sculptures and stuff too, where you can see them in more detail. Every one of these he handmade, pretty much every piece himself. This is the one he did have. One night we come down here and helped run the sawmill, and me and my wife and my kids camped out in the studio down here, and he had this sculpture under that light over there, and it kept freaking my little boy out, so I had to move it. There's got to be a lot of inspiration behind the ideas for a lot of these. Anybody ever seen any sliding doors that big?
These are live edge book matched. That's like the ones I'm making in the shop I showed earlier. They're gonna be almost just like that. Same tree.
What thickness are those?
These are an inch.
Those turned out really nice. And you've had them up for well over a year now, probably, haven't you?
Yeah. Put these metal 1/4 inch, 1 inch metal pieces of steel across the top and the bottom, kind of keep the wood more stable.
Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, be sure to check out his website. You can see he's had somebody take some really good photos of his sculptures and all that on there. You get a lot more detail. Oh yes.
So black walnut, live edge, waterfall, vanity. That's from the same wood as that table. We just put a finish on, same tree.
There's some more breadboards. What's that, a pizza board?
Yeah. That's in case my wife gets out of line.
Uh-oh. Gotta do what you gotta do.
I hope you enjoyed our video, and please remember to like and subscribe.